these radio telescopes using that computers. And with the radio telescope which we are going to make, what are the things that we can look at for? We can look for Jupiter's noise cloud, record flash and geomagnetic activity, detect for pulsars, detect strong radio sources and high energy pulsars, search for radio perturbations and gamma rays and etc. and so on. And we can even detect that we can go for extraterrestrial, which I cannot believe. And what are the things we require for building a radio observatory? We need a radio disturbance free location and a very large dish, highly equipped infrastructure and infrastructure power supply. These things are not possible for us, for the students, to build a radio observatory. So we have to overcome these things. And in this modern age, we cannot go for a radio disturbance free location. So right from the city, we can go for a radio observatory. That's the concept. And this is the basic thing how a radio telescope, radio detector works, radio receiver works. It has this number of sections. First one is balloon and low pass filter, low noise amplifier, output band, pass filter, passive diode, mixer, crystal oscillator, output band, and this is in turn given to some computer. So this can convert some frequency. This will detect some frequencies. With that we can go for radio images. And this is the brief circuit diagram of the stages which we have seen. Next. So these are the various stages which we have previously seen. And what I am going to propose is to come right here. All that we need, the materials which we need are normal scale computer, a TV filter called a small dish, a trigger software called Bullwhale. Fortunately, all these equipments are available in abundance in our home, except for the dish. It just costs 500 in the market. A 2.5-inch dish, normally which we use for DTH televisions. We can use the same dish. It costs around 500. This is capable. Every student can go for this. So, as far as the stages which we have concerned, it consists of a lot of circuits. But right now we have TV tuner cards, which comprises of these things and comes in this size. It's just we can make a radio telescope with this circuit. This dish costs around 500 rupees. It's a 2.5-inch dish available in the local market, along with the LMU over there. And with which we can detect the radio signals, and we can graph it using this Bullwhale software. And once the wave is detected, we can go for a picture, radio picture, by plotting that graph into a tabular column with numbers like 5, 0 and which have been numbered here. And for each number we have to give a specific color such that the images can be formed. Okay. So back to the question. Every student said that they have not yet seen or heard the radio spectrum in their home. Let us think that you are looking at for a teleserial. All of a sudden there is a power cut on the cable side. What you will be noticing on your screen, TV screen? A hazy raster. So what is that? Some frequency is coming inside your TV, and what is that frequency? We doesn't know as of now. But actually it's from the outer space, outer objects. These frequencies comes into our televisions, and we are not capable of reading this. As a normal human, we just think it's a raster of TV. And suppose, how can we hear the sound of radio noise? using an AM radio, if you tune for some stations, we will be hearing some noise, uninterrupted noise. These noise are radio noise. And